In this video, I'll show you how to change a dimmer with a regular switch. Safety first. It is extremely important to cut off the power. Find the fuse box and turn off the breaker that runs electricity to this outlet. Double check by turning the dimmer on and off and verify that the light no longer turns on. Take the cover out by removing the two screws. Pull the dimmer's knob and take the cover off. The dimmer has its own screws. Take them out to release the dimmer. For safety reasons, double check for any live wires by using a multimeter or a voltage tester. If you're not sure how to check for live wires, do not proceed and ask an electrician to do this for you. This is how the switch would fit in, and these two are the connecting wires. We want to make sure that the wires attach properly to the switch. On each wire's end, make a clockwise turn, which is the same direction as we will tighten the wires to the switch. Then fasten the wires. Connect the switch to its socket on the wall by tightening its screws. Make sure it is fitting properly and tightly. Visually inspect the switch and inside the socket for any potential problems like loose wires. Place its cover, go to the fuse box and turn the power back on. The only thing left to do is to test it out.